G'day, I'm Melissa Shanhun, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and I'm here in Adobe Photoshop Elements 2024 to show you around the program. When you first open Photoshop Elements 2024, you will be greeted by this welcome screen, and you'll have three options. You've got the organizer to organize all your photos, you've got the photo editor to edit your photos, and the video editor to edit video. At the top here are some tutorials and information showing you what Photoshop Elements can do. And then here will be your auto creations if you turn them on. You also have a little search box here. You also have a little search box here where you can search and browse articles and the help files to help you find what you're looking for in Photoshop Elements. And there's a link to the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and support. So let's get started with the photo editor. When you first open Photoshop Elements, it will take you to the quick mode. This is where you have access to some tools, as well as adjustments, effects, quick actions, textures, and frames. The next tab here is Guided Edit, where you can do some common corrections to photos. There's different categories. And if you're not sure what a special edit could be versus a fun edit, this is where the search comes in handy. So if I type in old photo, we can take a photo back in time by giving it an old-fashioned look, or we can transform an old scan photo to give it a fresh and flawless look. So that search feature is quite helpful. And we've got some feedback on our searches as well. Then we have the next tab is the Advanced. This one is more reminiscent of Photoshop CC if you've ever used the subscription version of Photoshop. It has all of your tools on the left-hand side. We have a layers panel. We can choose from a basic workspace, which has these icons here. Or we can go into custom workspace, which is what I tend to use. Now let's head back into the quick mode for now. The first thing we will want to do is open a photo that needs editing. It's where we have to stop you. This video is an excerpt from my class, Photo Editing for Absolute Beginners. If you'd like to learn more or enroll in the class, you can head to digiscraphq.com/PEAB. This class is all new with a beautiful new classroom that's super easy to use. And I have got a special coupon for YouTube subscribers. Use code YouTube10 to take $10 off this new class. You can learn how to use Photoshop Elements to make basic edits, add text, crop, and print your photos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and then click on the down arrow and select all so you'll be notified each time I release a new video. And if you'd like to learn more, you can always head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.